Hey students, Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Abdul Khaled from Life Preparatory School. I hope you all are well and safe from the coronavirus. Students, last class I have discussed about mathematical symbols, and today I will discuss about a new topic of factors and multiples of chapter 7. Okay. Dear students, um, elementary math page number 73. Please open your book, page number 73. The chapter name is multiples and factors. Before doing this math, at first you have to know about multiples and factors. Okay, students, I am giving definition of multiples and factors. Okay, multiples. The product result of one number multiplied by another number is called multiple. Again I repeat, the product result of one number multiplied by another number is called multiple. Example, 12 is a multiple of 3 because 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12. Here 3 is a number. If we find a multiple of 3, then 3 multiplied by 4 or any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we will get a product. This product is called of multiple of 3. And another is factor. Dear students, look at the definition here. A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. That means if you divide a number by a small number and there is no remainder, then this number will be called a factor of this number. Even here 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. Here 30 is a number and it is divided by 6 equal to 5. Here 5 and 5 is a factor of 30 and 6 also factor of 30, or 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30. That means the factor of 30, 5 and 6 are two factors of 30. Here 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. Okay. And another before doing this math, you have to know about prime number. Do you know what is prime number? I am giving a definition of prime number and composite number. Okay, a number that has only two factors, one and the number itself is called a prime number. Example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. Because 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2, and 3 has only two factors, 1 and 3. 5 has only two factors, 1 and 3. So these numbers are called prime numbers. And another number is composite number. A number that has more than two factors are called composite number. Example, 6 is a composite number because it has more than two factors, such as 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. These numbers are called factors of this is the composite number because 1, 2, 3 and 6 are four factors, and it is divided by 6 is divided by these numbers. So they are called composite number. 6 is a composite number. Okay. Now dear students, open your book, page number 85, exercise 7.4. Number 1 list three multiples of the following numbers, ordering them from the smallest. Ordering them from the smallest means you have to find the multiples from the smallest, from the small, ordering them from the smallest. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 etc. যেমন number 1 4. Okay, you have to find out 3 multiples from the smallest, ordering them from the smallest. Okay, I will solve this math. Number 1. Look at this picture. Then 4 multiplied by 1 equal to 4, because you have to find out ordering them from the smallest. So we multiplied 1 2 3 with 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 1 equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8, and 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12. Here 4 8 and 12 are 3 multiples of 4. Therefore we write 3 multiples of 4 equal to 4 8 and 12. Okay, we can find another way. 4 multiplied by 6 7 8 9, we will get multiple, but question is you have to find out ordering them from the smallest. So we multiplied 1 2 and 3. And number 2 7 multiplied by 1 7 multiplied by 1 equal to 7 7 multiplied by 2 equal to 14 7 multiplied by 3 equal to 21. Therefore 3 multiples of 7 equal to 7 14 and 21. Dear students, look at the book. Given here another two number 3 11 and number 4 14. You will get 3 multiples of these numbers by yourself. Okay, try to yourself to find out the 3 multiples of these numbers. Dear students, now we will solve number 2. List 3 common multiples for the following pairs of numbers, ordering them from the smallest, and also write the smallest least common multiples, and that means LCM. Least common multiples means LCM. At first you have to find out the 3 common multiples for 3 and 4, and then find out the least common multiple. Least common multiple mean LCM. Least common multiple mean LCM. L mean least, C stand for common, and M for multiples. The least common multiples. Okay, number 1 3 and 4. You have to find out the LCM of these two numbers. At first you have to find out 3 common multiples and then LCM. Okay, look at the picture. Number 2 3. At first multiples of 3 equal to 3 multiplied by 1 3 6 9 12 15. 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30, 3 3 is 3 11 is 33, and 3 12 is 36. And multiples of 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36 ... mean and many modes. Now you have to find out the common multiples of 3 and 4. Common multiple of 3 and 4. We see here 12. Here is 12. There is 24. There is 24. There is 36 and there is 36. We found that 3 common multiples of 12, 24 and 36. Therefore 3 common multiples of 3 and 4 equal to 12, 24 and 36. Here from these common multiples we see that 12 is the least common multiple. Okay, from the common multiple we find the least common multiple is 12. So LCM is 12. Okay, number 2 4 and 9. Given here 4 and 9. So multiples of 4 equal to 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36 40 44 48 52 56 60 64 68 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100, 104, 108, and many more. That means um, you have to find these multiples of many numbers. Okay, multiples of 9 equal to 9, 18, 20, 7, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 80, 81, 90, 99, and 108, and many more. And many more. Uh, you have to find out three common multiples of 4 and 9. Given here, we find that 36, 72, and 108. Multiples of 9 also 36, 72, and 108. So therefore three common multiples of 4 and 9 equal to 36, 72, and 108, and 36 is the lowest common multiple. So therefore LCM equal to 36. Dear students, number 3, list all the factors of the following numbers. List all the factors of the following numbers. Number 1, 9. Factor means factor, the another name of factor is divisor. Okay. List given here number 1, 9. So 1 multiplied by 9 equal to 9. We divided 9 by 1. We divided by 9 by 3. So at first 1 multiplied by 9 equal to 9, and 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9, because we divided 9 by 3. So all the factors of 9 equal to 1, 3, and 9. We draw a picture of like U. That means on 3, 3 is a double. So on 3 and 9. On 3 and 9 are all the factors of 9. Okay. Number 2, 12. On into 12. That means 12 is divided by on equal to 12. And 2 multiplied by 6. That means when we divided by 12 by 2 equal to 6. So 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 12. And 3 multiplied by 4. That means 12 is divisible by 3. 3 into 4 equal to 12. So we draw a sign of U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 all are factors of 12. So we can write all the factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Okay. Number 3, given here 24. 24, the 1 into 24 equal to 24. That means 24 is divisible by 1, and 2 multiplied by 12 equal to 24, and 3 multiplied by 8 equal to 24. 4 multiplied by 6 equal to 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 all are the factors of 24. Now dear students, number 4, all the list all the common factors of the following numbers, and also write the highest common factors, that means HCF for each pair. 9 and 15. Given here 9 and 15, you have to find out HCF. HCF mean highest common factor. You have to find out all the factors of one number and another number, and you and also find the common factors of these two numbers. Then you have to find out the highest common factor. That means common factor from the between these common factors, we will find the highest common factor is a HCF of these numbers. Okay, number 4. For odd number is 9 and 15. At first you have to find out all the factors of 9. All the factors of 9 equal to 1, 3, and 9. And another number is 15. All the factors of 15 equal to 1, 3, 5, and 15. Therefore all the common factors of 9 and 15 on 3 on 3. There are two common factors of these two numbers on and 3. So on and 3, between these two numbers 3 is the highest factor. That means HCF is HCF equal to 3. Number 2, at first 14, all the factors of 14 equal to 1, 2, 7 and 14, and all the factors of 21 equal to 1, 3, 7 and 21. Between these two numbers factors 1 and 7 are two common factors here. Therefore we can write all the common factors of 14 and 21 equal to 1 and 7. Therefore HCF equal to 7, because between these two common factors, between these two common factors 1 and 7 is the highest common factor. So therefore HCF equal to 7. Dear students, today's class is finished. In the next class I will discuss the next math. Okay, thank you. So be careful of the coronavirus and practice more and more these maths.